Hey, Facebook Live peeps! Judymatejczyk here, Life Master Consultant with Unplugged. There you go. Hi, Justin. This is my buddy. I haven't seen him in, oh my God, it's been almost 2 weeks. I'm back from being in the mountains, and I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, go. Miriam, look who I found. Look. Oops. Say hi. Say hi, Miriam. Can you do my hair? For those of you, hi, Miriam's here. She is the most kick-butt hair person I know in Florida. Get a hold of her. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm looking around for my other duck friend. I have not been here, honest to God. I've been on and unplugged. Whew. I have been on it. No, some of you have seen me up in the mountains of Colorado. And I got back a few days ago. And I'll tell you, we left. It was 47 degrees. And, hi, baby. Aw. I know, good to see you too. Oh, I hear the other guy. Oh my gosh, look. Hi. Oh my gosh, she's laid an egg. Hold on. Oh my God. No wonder they're mad at me. Hang on. Look at this, you guys, live. Look. Okay, I had no idea. Oh my God. Look. Oh my God, they're duck eggs. Hang on. Don't get mad at me. Look. Oh my God, they got babies. Oh my God, it looks like there's about a dozen ducks in there. I mean, babies. Oh my God, I'm so grateful I came over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, there's like about 15 duck eggs there. Oh my God. I'm sorry. You can go back, or you want me to take care of him? Okay, I'll watch him here while you go swim. Oh, wow. Okay, so you just saw it live. This is so much fun. Oh my God. So I'm back here in Texas. This is the pond across the street. We left it when it's like been 100 degrees here. And I've just been in the AC doing my work. It was awesome, and I thought, man, I gotta go see how my buddies are doing. And you know, the water's low and everything. I came over. Oh my God, we got babies, you guys. Miriam, you saw them. We can't wait till they hatch. There's gonna be baby ducks over here. Oh my God. Okay, anyway, unplug. Okay, where's that topic? Okay. Unplug, come outside, check out the environment around you. You'll see 2 of your buddies here. My God, I thought they were both male ducks. Apparently not. And I saw one and this other one. And look, for those of you just turning in, look. Babies. I'm going to be a grandma. Oh my God, I'm so good. Oh my gosh. And the reason this is so cool to me is when I came back, it was like, this is the very first time in 22 years that I've come back from Colorado, unplug up in the mountains, all the beauty and everything, and I got back into my home and there were no animals. Oh my God, there were no animals in my home because they had I'm so excited. Both of my dogs have passed away this year. If you've been following me, you know that. And so I've been carrying around their ashes for a long time. And I was able to spread my dog's ashes up in the mountains where I always go. So a little bit of my dogs are there. They're all over the place. And I feel so at peace knowing that they are in their transition state. And then, oh my God, God's got another gift. I come and visit my ducks and there's baby eggs here. I'm going to be a grandma duck. Oh! Can't wait to keep this live thing going. So the benefits of getting unplugged. Oh, I'm so glad. A lot of you guys are hopping on. There you go. Aw, Angel and, oh, look at all you guys. So How important is it to you to get unplugged once in a while? Get unplugged for all the, oh man, distractions, the delays, the guy, you know, like, oh, if only they would do this, you know, bank accounts, everything, and go out and see what is real. See what is love. Oh my gosh, this beautiful, seeing the beauty of life at its beginning stage. My gosh, she just hatched 15 eggs over here, and she's sitting on them, you know, in this heat. And I know I'm not a duck. Yes, I do know I'm not a duck, but there's something within me that wants to feed them. I think I'll go back and get something. I have no idea. But she's out there taking a bath there and in the pond, and when I leave, they'll come back and sit on these eggs. But boy, we are going to do a whole series on hatching and hatching eggs. So what is it, that idea that you are hatching today? And you have to sit on it sometimes for a while. Yes, sit on those eggs. I'm just going to go. This is too much. Okay. Whoops, I'm going to go back here. Oh, Miriam, we're going to be kids. We're going to be moms. I mean, not moms, grandmas or aunts and uncles to some baby ducks. You know, if nothing else, that's what's going to keep you going from this day to the next. Because you better believe I'm going to come and watch the development of these eggs. And this mom and dad out here, not knowing, like, what the heck's going to happen. But, you know, one of the things I'm visioning for the future is these mom and dads here with a bunch of baby ducks behind them, you know. So, the content of this live was going to be unplug. And look what you find when you're unplugging. New life. New life, even though it looks like there's a drought going on, everything needs to be watered. It's dry here in Texas, you know, all of that stuff. But man, there is new life. New life. So my message to you is, how will you unplug today? You know, what are you unplugging and seeing? And when you decide to unplug and see, what will you find? Oops. Okay. And I want to show you once again what I just found. These are the, oops. Hang on a second. There you go. These are my duck buddies from across the street in Texas. I just got back from a 10-day trip to Colorado where it was like all kind of unpluggedness and connecting with God and nature and visions. And I just came back, walked across the street, saw my duck buddies, oops, right there. And I want to show you what they are sitting on right here. Duck eggs. So as we gaze on this new life, we put a blessing on these beautiful beings and their parents, and seeing brand new, never before lived baby ducks hatch, knowing that they have the whole world in front of them. That right now they might feel they're in a shell, it's getting kind of tight. And that they can crack open and crack into this life in this beautiful pond, making memories, and bless their mom and dad here, mom and daddy duck. So with that, I leave you today, this beautiful August 1st, the first day of the beautiful month, a beautiful time, August 1st, 2018, never before lived, brand new baby day, new baby month, new baby year. What is it that you're creating today when you unplug and look around you, all the new life? Dream big, dream bold, accomplish brilliantly. I'll bring you back tomorrow.